All right, number 6, consider each expression, A through E. Write the letter of each expression in the blanks of the inequality statement. So before we order these from least to greatest, I'm going to write the value of each of these. All right, cosecant. Cosecant is the trig identity, which is defined as 1 over sine. So this would be 1 over sine of 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2, the sine value is exactly -1. So this is equal to -1. Secant is defined as 1 over cosine. So 1 over cosine of -60 degrees. -60 degrees is going clockwise to this spot right here. And again, it's secant, so it's 1 over cosine. Cosine here is positive 1/2. 1 divided by 1/2 is 2. Okay, sine of 390 degrees. 390 degrees would be going around the unit circle once, so that's 360, plus another 30 degrees. So 390 is coterminal with 30, and we're doing sine. So this is positive 1/2. Cotangent is cosine divided by sine. So if we're at 7 pi over 6, cosine is -√3 over 2 divided by sine at 7 pi over 6, so that's -1/2. Okay, if we're dividing, we are multiplying by the reciprocal of this, so times -2. Those 2's go away, the negatives go away, so this is just positive √3. Alright, and then cosine of 135 degrees, right here we have a negative √2 over 2. Oops. Okay, so now ordering these from least to greatest, let's look at the negatives here. Negative √2 over 2. If you're not sure, when you're looking at square roots and fractions, if you're not sure which one is larger, just check in a calculator. So, for example here, if you do negative √2 over 2, so that divided by 2 is -0.7. So you can see here that this is actually greater than -1. So this would be -1, and that's A. Then the other negative answer, which is E, so negative √2 over 2. Now if we look at the positives, again, if you're not sure, well, obviously 2 is the largest one, so that's B. If you're not sure which one is larger, just check in your calculator. We know this is 0.5. Square root of 3 is 1.7, so this is larger, expression D, than this.